Principles of Management Part 6. We are going to do the concept Postcorp. Postcorp is nothing but it is actually the functions of management. These are the most 7 important functions of management. Here the P stands for planning, O stand for organizing, S stand for staffing, D stand for directing, CO stand for coordinating, R stand for reporting, B stand for budgeting. This is the diagram of Postcorp. Here you can see planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting is in one circle. Actually, they all are related, and planning is the first step and the most important steps in the functions of management. In the field of public administration and organization, Postcorp concept is largely used as a traditional assessment of organization theory. The concept was developed and disclosed by two great administrative thinkers, Luther Gulick and Landon Urwick, in 1930s. They published it in their paper on the science of administration in 1937. Primarily, Postcorp was proposed in an action to advance public provision authorities. According to them, Postcorp model is common to all organizations and it is effective in all the organizations. Postcorp has been broadly prevalent and most stated to the concept in the management and administration for several entities and is still appropriate after more than 80 years of its proclamation. Let's see the first concept, that is planning. Planning is the process of deciding where we want to be from where we are right now. Planning is the assurance of intellectual conduct. It is the organized way of preparing to take certain action. It includes the work to be completed and the action to be taken to achieve implement those work. Planning is the backbone of any project organization. It is also called that if we fail to plan, then we plan to fail. Therefore, planning determines the direction of the organization. Planning means determining the path in which all the efforts and all the workforce of the organization will be heading for over a permanent term of time appropriately to strive for preset result. It is a goal-oriented and should also possess different choices of alternative. Planning can be short-term, medium-term, and long-term depending upon the need and situation. This result must be inspiring enough to motivate but not discouraging to panic and discourage the workforce. Organizing. In organizing, the managerial staff are instructed to organize for all the essential resources, that is raw material, financial resources, human resources and equipment. It refers to all sort of needful things to achieve the desired result. It also includes arranging for the management expertise to help accomplish the goal established beneath planning method. Therefore, it is necessary to have proper division, distribution, delegation, and organizing of responsibilities between and among the staff. Moreover, it should be also ensured that there is an optimum combination between the determination and progression of the staff and the resources available in the institution. Third is staffing. Staffing includes having right person in the right place at the right time. It basically refers to the personal and human resources. It is necessary to have competent and qualified person for effective management and smooth functioning of the organization. Staffing incorporate all the activities of recruitment, selection, training, and capacity building of the human resources. It also comprises of organizing staff for the best role as per their interest, qualification, and expertise. Then fourth is directing. Directing means giving direction. Directing is basically the role of a manager, top level official. It includes giving direction and showing ways to the team member, staff to achieve the goals. It also involves motivating the staff and team member and showing the possible ways to achieve the desired result. At this point, the manager director has to direct their determination to the crucial goals of the organization by separating those critical plan goals into minor practical time-bound objectives. Directing involves having bird views of the situation so that the real situations can be assessed and specific action can be directed to all the team members. The person responsible for directing has to carry out the steering role of mentor and promoter. He/she should also inspire other team members, staff to complete their work in a better way by overpowering the challenges. Coordinating. Coordination involves synchronized efforts between the team members. Coordination refers to synchronization of the effort by several division team members to ensure that they are moving in tandem with one another. If one division of the organization moves uncoordinatedly, it might affect the performance level and outcome of all the division. In comparison of coordination in managing the employees and to complete the task. Coordination also involves interlinking various components of the work. For this, the manager has to ensure two things. He/she has to hire administrator for every single department, workstation, project who will direct the efforts of the personnel under the responsibility with those under other manager. Each employee should be made mindful as to how his/her role fit into the higher managerial role. Additionally, he/she will also feel accountable to take essential efforts for doing the job. Sixth function is reporting. Reporting means communicating about the action, event to the supervisor, manager, or concerned authorities. Reporting can be verbal, written, or in any other form that is suitable for both the parties, one who is reporting and the other who is being reported. Reporting helps to update about the work to the concerned authority so that necessary adjustment to the plan can be made as per necessity. Likewise, reporting helps to share all necessary information relating to the challenges, obstacles to the staff, new protocol, appreciation, etc. Reporting is also a way to gather collective evidence. Prompt and regular reporting with the concerned parties can be beneficial for effective and efficient result. Seventh is budgeting. Budgeting finance is the essence of an organization. There is a common edge, no budget, no activity. This simply shows how crucial budget is for every organization. It involves the activity of physical planning and controlling, accounting and auditing. It is very important for every organization individual to plan, execute and record all the budget and financial activities properly. Budget and its use must be transparent for all the concerned team members. Suitable and constant description of every single penny expended is essential for the endurance and success of an organization. Resources, man, money, material, and time must be assigned to every single work center or assignment in advance, and the team accountable must be held accountable for their restricted uses. There should be restrict mechanism and policies to minimize descriptions in the budgetary part. Also, in case of any intentional misuse of the budget, there should be strict laws and penalties for any individual team. These are the 7 most important function of management. It is known as the Postcorp, and these are the basics, or this is the very important activities of administration or a management. So here we can conclude that it is stated that the Postcorp is a system in managing where workforce and recruits can be proficient in a manner that would be profitable for a commercial or business purpose. It ensures effective and efficient functioning of the organization. This was all about the concept Postcorp. In a part 8, we'll cover 14 principles of management. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.